Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the right CUDA and cuDNN that match your TensorFlow version, and make sure GPU drivers are current. Once done, create and activate a Python virtual environment in your project folder. This isolates packages. Then install the Python extension in Vscode so linting and interpreter selection work. Make sure Vscode is using the virtualenv interpreter. This avoids global conflicts and ensures TensorFlow GPU will run inside your environment. Next, install TensorFlow into your activated virtualenv using pip and the exact package that supports GPU for your version. Use explicit versions to avoid mismatch. Once installed, open Vscode terminal and run a short Python snippet to check TF. Config. List physical devices, GPU, so you confirm the GPU is recognized. Also make sure CUDA and cuDNN bin and lib paths are in your path and LD library path. This ensures runtime can locate shared libraries. If you use conda, adapt commands accordingly. Finally, run a small training loop or the TensorFlow device placement example to confirm the GPU is used and memory is allocated as expected. Monitor with NVIDIA SMI. Use Vscode's debugger and ensure the same virtualenv interpreter is active when stepping through code. If things go wrong, first verify driver, CUDA, and cuDNN versions align with your TensorFlow release. Mismatches are the most common cause. Also inspect TensorFlow logs for linker errors and adjust path or reinstall matching binaries if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.